Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I want to welcome all the new viewers, and I hope you guys consider hitting the subscribe button down below. And also, if you guys can give me a thumbs up in this video, that would be great. I recently I kind of knew, but I didn't really want to promote it, but it does people say on YouTube that if you get a thumbs up, supposedly they will recommend your videos for other people and all that stuff. So if I can get a thumbs up, let's see if we can get it to 25 likes. That would be greatly appreciated. But I hope you do consider hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell to continue on this debt-free journey with me. We are going to be doing our mid-month check-in, and we are going to be doing May's first week, and I've got some notes here, and paycheck 1 and paycheck 2. Okay, I'm going to be using 2 different pens, possibly. This is the Friction 3 Colors 3-in-1 Slim. It's a 0. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. There it is. Maybe. It's a 0.38. I got this for my Hobonichi because it's a smaller planner. Either way, I'm going to try to use it here. If not, I got this other one that's a Friction pen. This is a fine line pen. And the only thing I don't like is that it's not clickable, but it's okay. They're both erasable, so we're gonna go with it. Okay, so for paycheck 1, my paycheck, and this was my, if I'm not mistaken, let's see, that would have been this paycheck. So I want to say that this was my, no, it wasn't my vacation check. But I did not work any. Why didn't I get a special pay? Okay, yeah, it was, that's the check for vacation. Yeah, okay. So I actually made $549.34, which is a plus 10 cents. Okay, my husband's paycheck. Can you guys see okay? Let me zoom you guys in. Sorry about that. My husband's paycheck, he actually made $738.80, and that was a plus. Actually, let's move this. That was a plus of $104.63. Okay, and that was a total. We did not get any miscellaneous this week, so that was a total of $1,288.14. Oops. And that was a difference. That was a difference of positive $104.73. Okay. So this week, what we paid iTunes, and I'm gonna get this small pen because I really don't think this one's gonna be this really thin pen here. Okay, so iTunes, we did pay $16.04. Okay, so my phone did get $48.39. No difference in neither one. Our car notes got $408.06. So that was a difference of 6 cents. That should be in red because they were down. Okay, our savings did get $50, and our Wells Fargo credit card did get $120. One of the things that I forgot, or didn't really know exactly that it was due now, but we had to pay our lawnmower, and that was $124. And Access 1, which I don't know how I forgot that because it is here, and then here. Okay, well, either way, so that was $25. And I paid it the day I got paid, thinking that I shut off the automatic draft, and oops, could you guys see that? I'm so sorry. And obviously I didn't, or clearly I didn't, because they charged me again another $25. So that sucked. So here we have a total of, actually I got my phone here, I didn't realize I had it. That's actually 124 plus 50, oops, 124. So that is 174 plus this 534, 40, 534, 43, and that gives us 708.43. Okay, and then on this check I did take $303 out because 50 went to my niece Nikki for her birthday. So we're gonna add 303. So that's 8, 11, carrier 1, that's 1, carrier 1, that's $1,111.43. Okay, so here we have $534.43, 534.43 minus plus 174 plus 303. Okay, that's it. No carrying here. Okay, so we're gonna take that and we're gonna subtract the 1288.14. That gives us 276.71. Why does that give us 276.71? Oh, yeah, why does that give us 276.71? Okay, and then we're going to add our expenses for that week. Not expenses, but what we spent. And that leaves us with $110.08 unaccounted for. But I don't think that's right. I don't think that's right whatsoever. So what we have here is 534.43 plus 174. Okay, that's this. Plus our cash envelopes. Okay, that's that. And then our transactions. So I have that on the back page, but I wrote it here. It's actually 265.91. So we're going to add 265.91 gives us 12 for a total of 1277.34 minus 288.14. So we have $10.80 unaccounted for. Okay, I'm okay with that. I'm okay with just $10.80. That looks like, I don't know, but I'm okay with it. Okay, so let's go to the next one. So let's see here. We have our income for that week was, mine was $625.69. My husband's was $738.80 for a total of $1,363. Oh, on this one we did add, we got our 150. So we're gonna add the 150 here. And that's going to give us $1,625.69 plus $738.80 plus $150. Okay, I knew that didn't seem right. That kind of stained, didn't it? Okay, let's use this one. So that gave us $1,514.49. Okay, so for our dish, we paid $60.70. So we were over by a few pennies. 29 cents in the plus. Our lights was more than what I thought, and that was $240.22. So we're gonna put $240.22 minus $221.95, and that is negative $18.27. Okay, the phone is right on board. Actually, I paid, nope, 39. Okay, Hulu was $6.41, savings. Now, I did not pay this yet because I'm trying to wait for some things to clear. I don't know if I have this, so this is pending right as of right now. Okay, so here we have our cash envelopes. Actually got 618 is what the cash that we took out was, actually $618. And I will link that video here for the paycheck to paycheck, and it'll sum up why it's so much. So let's do this. Let's add this up. 60, 70, 240, 22, 48, 641. Okay, plus the 618. Okay, so that gives us 1,200. Let's write this out to the side. So that gives us $1,023.72. Okay, and then we had our transactions were $130, so we're gonna plus $130.15. So that's 130. So we're looking at I hate this. Okay. 3, 5, 1, 1. Okay, and I didn't even put that in my transaction log. Now that I think about it, we did buy a lawnmower for 200. Not a lawnmower, a weed eater for $274. $247. So that's $1,487. Okay, yeah, I didn't even put that in my transaction log, now that I think about it, when I was looking over my notes. But we're gonna subtract this from what we got, and that leaves us with possibly $13.62. Now, whatever's left, because payday is tomorrow, whatever's left in my checking account, I will put towards this payment, if that makes any sense whatsoever. So if this is left, I'm going to put that towards my payment because there was nothing paid there. Yeah. Okay. So far, it looks pretty okay. Alright guys, so that is our mid-month check-in. It looks like we are just $10.80 unaccounted for here. Sorry. And here we have $113.62 that's possibly going to be left and put towards saving. But I'm going to wait till tomorrow to see what's in my checking account before my check drops. And that's what I'll put towards this. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for spending a moment of your life with me. Until next time. Bye, guys.